Hello everybody, welcome to MachineStation. My name is George Rivera. Today we're going to be taking a look at a DAEWOO Puma 240 that's right on our shop floor at our Houston, Texas branch. This machine comes with a Fanuc 21i TB CNC Control. The machine has a collet nose. It comes equipped with a 12-station turret and a programmable tailstock with a power quill. You've got tool holders, tool presetter. The control comes with a PCMCIA port. For any further questions at all, I'm going to list the specifications in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the DAEWOO Puma 240C. For any further questions at all, call us at 909-919-9600. Jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us, or you can email us at sales@machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.